1858 after the revolt of 1857. The company established its capital in Calcutta, wherein Hastings became its first Governor General. The company rule was ended in 1858 after the proclamation of Government of India Act 1858, when the British government assumed the task of directly administering India. The First War of Independence. The revolt of 1857, or the First War of Independence, began on 10th May 1857 as a revolt of sepoys of East India Company's army in Meerut. It soon took the form of large rebellion which included many other mutinies and civilian rebellions. The rebellion posed a considerable threat to company power. Formation of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was formed on 28 December 1885. A.O. Hume played an important role in its formation. The first session of Congress was held at Bombay. It was attended by 72 delegates. It was presided over Vimesh Chandra Banerjee. Mohandas Kamchand Gandhi was preeminent leader of Indian independence movement, employing the techniques of non-violence and satyagraha. He led India to independence and inspired movements for non-violence, civil rights and freedom across the world. Non-cooperation movement. The Indian National Congress, in its special session at Calcutta in September 1920, approved the launch of non-cooperation movement till Khilafat issue was addressed by government. The government punished all those responsible for violence and killing in Punjab after the Rowlatt Satyagraha and Swaraj was achieved. Civil disobedience movement. The government didn't respond to 11-point demands made by Gandhi in 1930. As a result, the Congress Working Committee gave Gandhi full power to launch civil disobedience movement. Gandhi decided to make SALT the center of the movement. He believed that the SALT text was the most inhuman poll text the ingenuity of men can devise. Quit India movement. Quit India movement, or the Bharat Chhodo movement, was one of the most powerful national struggle movements characterized by unparalleled heroism demonstrated by people of India. The Congress Working Committee met at Wada on 14 July 1942 and accepted the idea of launching a mass struggle. It adopted the Quit India resolution that was ratified at famous Congress meeting at the Gwalior Tank, Bombay on 8th August 1942. And finally, in 1947, independence and partition. The Indian Independence Act 1947 led to independence of India. It also led to the partition of India, creating the sovereign states of Pakistan and India. These all movements held in these years which are shown here. East India Company, it was ruling at this time. First War of Independence held at this time. Formation of Indian National Congress, it was held in 1885. First War of Independence was held between 1857 and 1858. Then Swadeshi movement, it was launched between 1905 to 1908. Mahatma Gandhi, he was at the time of 1869 to 1948. Non-cooperation movement, it started in 1920. Between 1920 and 22 it was there. And then civil disobedience movement, it was held between 1930 to 1931. Quit India movement was held in 1942. Independence and partition, it finally took in 1947.